I'm Chef Grace Ramirez. Ice cream sandwich, pretty much the best sweet treat there is. Today I'm going to show you how to elevate your ice cream sandwich game. In order to get a really good ice cream sandwich, the base is everything, so you need good ice cream. Today, we're going to be using some LACTAID chocolate ice cream, some vanilla ice cream, and some cookies and cream ice cream as our base. We're going to be playing with some really fun flavor combinations. First, we're going to make dulce de leche. We are going to add the sugar first. So you want this to be fully melted without letting the caramel burn. And now, slowly add in your milk. I discovered LACTAID products because of my aunt Solange. She knew I struggled with being lactose intolerant, and she was like, you have to try this. You're not gonna miss a thing, and I was sold. So now that we've reached our desired consistency, we are ready to make some ice cream sandwiches. First, we got our beautiful dulce de leche. And now it's time for our vanilla ice cream. It's made with 100% real milk and cream. So you're not sacrificing any flavor, but you would not have any discomfort. More dulce de leche, and voila. There's tons of options when it comes to flavor combinations, but I'm gonna show you a couple of favorites. So here we have our cookies and cream, chocolate, vanilla. So I'm ready to finish my ice cream sandwich, and this has the cookies and cream ice cream. So here I have melted white chocolate and pistachios. And now I'm ready for my chocolate ice cream. And this one, we're gonna have a play on sweet, sour, and a little bit of heat. So what I have here is melted chocolate, flaky sea salt, pink peppercorns, and cayenne pepper. If this is not your ultimate ice cream sandwich, I don't know what is. This recipe is absolutely perfection for those classic ice cream sandwich lovers. This is next level. Game changer. I usually have ice cream sandwiches because I love ice cream everything, but I wanted to create the ultimate ice cream sandwich that has all the elements that I love, which is texture, crunch, a play on the sweet and salty, and a little bit of spice. Enjoy, because I'm gonna keep eating. Yum.